In today's video, we are going to cover how to see test data in a Stripe sandbox. Start by signing into your Stripe dashboard with your account details. Once the dashboard loads, take a moment to confirm that you are working in sandbox mode and not in a live environment. This matters because anything you create here is meant for testing, not real transactions. If your view does not already show Sandbox, switch to it before continuing so the data you add stays in the test environment. With Sandbox mode confirmed, move to the top of the dashboard and click the plus button labeled Create. This opens the menu where Stripe lets you add different kinds of resources to your account. The exact options you see can vary based on your setup, but the process stays the same. From that menu, select the kind of test data you want to create. Depending on what you need for your testing flow, this could be an invoice, a subscription, a payment link, or a payment. Choose the resource that matches the part of Stripe you want to simulate. For example, if you are checking a recurring billing flow, you would choose a subscription. If you are testing a one-time charge, you might create a payment instead. After selecting the resource type, fill in the required information on the form Stripe provides. The fields will depend on what you picked, so enter the details Stripe asks for and review them before you submit. In sandbox mode, these entries are only for test scenarios, but it is still worth making sure the values match the workflow you plan to run. When the form is complete, click Create or Save, depending on the button shown for that resource. Stripe will then add the new item to your Sandbox account. If the page takes a moment to process, wait for the confirmation or for the resource view to update so you know it has been added successfully. If your testing setup needs more than one item, repeat the same process for each additional resource. You can return to the Create button, choose another type, such as an invoice or payment link, fill in the required details, and save it to the sandbox. This is useful when you want several test records available for different cases, such as separate payments, multiple subscriptions, or invoice scenarios. Once your test resources are in place, use them to simulate the Stripe workflows you need to check. You can work through payment flows, subscription behavior, invoice handling, or any other supported test path that depends on the resources you created. Because everything was added in sandbox mode, you can validate those flows without affecting live account activity. Your Stripe sandbox now contains seeded test data ready for payments, subscriptions, invoices, or other test workflows.